everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Taneica Dionne. Today's video is going to be the January Allure box unboxing. Now this month I got my box very late. Today is January the 30th. Yeah, January 30th. Last month I was able to do this like at least a week or two before today. I don't know what happened this month because they surely took the payment out on time, but for whatever reason, I don't know. I just got my box so late. I was planning on having this video up sometime last week because I figured I was going to get it the same time as last month. But anywho, since that didn't happen, I am making this video today so that I can go ahead and release it tomorrow, even though it's not my scheduled date tomorrow on Thursday. As for my videos, because I do videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but because this did come just now, I'm going to go ahead and film the unboxing and just release it tomorrow on Thursday. It's just a bonus video, that's all. So before we get into the video, I do want to tell you that I did not do a video on this look, but just to let you know, I did just go into some old palettes that I had for a while. I used the Pure Little Pony, the movie palette. It looks like this. And in that palette I used, let's see, the color Pinkie Pie. No, I'm sorry. I used the color Rainbow Dash, which is this blue right here. I use this blue right here, Rainbow Dash, and that's what you see in the inner corners. And then I also used the Pure Trolls palette, which looks like this. And this one is the one that I use, pink, the Poppy, and that's the outer corners and in the crease. So I use those two different palettes to come up with this look today, as well as the lipstick I'm wearing today is from ColourPop also, and it is Lock Diary, and it looks like this, and very cute. So the look is cute. I like it. All right, and also, I did wash my hair today, and I'm back to my washing goals. I'm so happy about that, y'all. So happy. I was wearing my hair straight for all of January, and I am so happy to be curly again. All right, so yeah, and my hair is about 75% dry. It's still wet and stuff. This is first day hair, so you know, I did use a diffuser on it just to give it a little bit of lift right here before I did the video, but in actuality it's still got, you know, about 20-25% more to dry, but it'll dry overnight anyway, because you know, it always dries overnight. I washed my hair early this morning, so I had plenty of time to let it air dry, and then before I did the video I just diffused it a little bit just to give it a little bit of lift here, and put a little bit of edge control on there, because you know, your girl does not like baby hair, so you'll only ever see my edges just slicked back, never baby hair. Well, I won't say never say never, because you never know, one day your girl might come in here baby hair, damn. But anyway, for the most part you won't see that. All right, now before we get into the video, if you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button and then the little notification bell so that you never miss an upload, and if you would kindly like my video, comment, and share it, please tell all your friends about your girl. All right, so let's get into the video. Looks like this. Haven't opened it yet. Like I said, it just came today. This is new packaging from last month because the box did not look like this. All right, let's get my scissors. And then you just open it up like that. And this, of course, is what they put in here every month. It's just a, excuse me, a little pamphlet that tells you everything that's in the on the package, as well as the price, and it also tells you where you can buy it. All right, so that is that. This is Allure Beauty Box. I'm trying to see if there's a theme here, because this is only my second box from Allure. All right, and this is Thrill of the New. All right, so as they told us last month, the packaging would be changing. Look at this. Look, it came with a hole, everybody. My plastic pouch is torn. My plastic pouch is torn. Oh man, this is so cute too. And look at that. This is torn too. I mean, it doesn't snap. Can you see that? Like, the snap part came off of here. So this, okay. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Well, that part works. I'm sorry. That's my bad. But look, my plastic, this side is closed, but this side is completely tore. It looks like it was ripped. So you can see it was ripped from the seams right there. I don't know what happened, but, you know, whatever. It's just a little case. I mean, you know, it's okay. But it is so cute. It's plastic. I like it. Plastic and red. Let me put the box over here. But yeah, that's a little upsetting. Oh, my case is broken. All right, okay. Anyway, let's get into the unboxing. Be careful so it don't fall out. All right, the first thing that I pull out looks like this is NCLA Los Angeles nail polish. This is Call My Agent. Oh, this is pretty. I like it. It matches me today. Look at that. Matches me. So cute. If I didn't get my nails done, this would be it for me. Okay, sorry, y'all. All right, but that's cute. That's cute. Next thing is the... I never knew how to pronounce this name brand. And I see it all the time in Sephora and other places. But it's Owie. I don't know what it is, but it looks like that. O-U-A-I. I don't know what that is. But anyway, it is a scalp and body scrub. Okay. Scalp and body scrub. Got the little container on there. My ring light is causing not having a lot of glare up on stuff. But anyway. Oh, smells pretty good. It smells like your average like a hair product. But it says it's good for your body too. I'm just gonna dip my finger up in there. My ring light, y'all. Sorry about that. But it is turning evening. And I got the natural light on. Windows open as well as, not windows open, but the blinds open with the light coming in as well as my ring light, because if I turn it off, it's dark. All right, guys, it is 11:30 p.m. and I was editing my video and realized that a whole section was cut out, meaning I did not record. I thought I was recording, but I was not recording. So therefore, I did not get some of the products recorded, as well as the section where I told you how much each item is worth. So because it is 11:30 at night and I did already throw away the box and the little pamphlet that came with it, I no longer have that, so I can't redo that part because my husband had already taken out the trash for tonight. So I'm just going to give you a glimpse of everything that was in the package, because I'm not exactly sure what was left out. It's just I went to go edit it and I saw a whole section was missing, so that I would not have to redo the whole video. I just went ahead and I'm going to just add a little section to try and cover what was left out, because I do not have time to redo this video because I want it up tomorrow, which is the end of January, because I got this box so late. So let's get right into what was missing. I believe, like I said, I didn't get a chance to tell you, I mean, I can't tell you how much everything cost because I threw that away. So anyway, I believe it was these two that were left off. I think I got these products covered, but I'll just go over them real quick. But anyway, there is a Dolce Relentless Matte Crayon in Winterberry, and it looks like this. It's really cute. And sorry I'm not on screen because, as I said, it's 11:30 at night. I already took my shower and I took my face off, and I actually have on a mask right now, so I'm not going to go into all that. I just will show you the products like this, and as you can see, that is a beautiful, beautiful color. Very, very nice. And also there's this Mally eye color shadow stick, and this is in the color burnished bronze, and looks like this. Oh, that's pretty. Definitely a color for me. Look at that. That's pretty. Bronze. Definitely bronze. Very nice. I like that too. And this is a hair mask, which is Soul Food Nourishing Hair Mask. This is the Allure Scalp and Body Scrub. This is the Sunday Riley High Dose Retinoid Serum. It's a face serum. This is another Sunday Riley CEO Glow Vitamin C and Turmeric Face Oil. And then the NCLA Los Angeles Nail Polish in Call My Agent.